Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to customize iOS 18 Control Center widget. To customize your iOS 18 Control Center is highly intuitive. You can now resize widgets, rearrange layout, add third-party app controls, and create multiple dedicated pages for different tasks like smart home, connectivity, or media. So swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, tap the plus button, or you can just hold the control center and an edit window will show up. Right? You can go ahead and add control here to add one of your liking. You can also swipe down if you want to add the music library, home, the cellular data, or basically the Wi-Fi and cellular, right? Or something else. So I'm gonna go ahead to the main control center, right? And reposition, for example, the focus mode here. And this here. And the flashlight should be below. The control center should be above here. Right? You can do whatever you want, basically. And once you're done, hit the screen again in an empty space to apply the settings. Consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.